Yesterday afternoon, I saw the maintenance guys knocking on the door next door, and I asked them about the light bulbs. But then when they brought the bulbs, this was leaking. And I have this that I lean on my door because when I first moved in, the bottom knob was loose. But what happened is the water was dripping down on here and running down and made a puddle. After I spoke with them yesterday, I didn't go back outside my door. But when I woke up this morning, my door was unlocked. But now, listen to this.